Are you struggling to get the most out of your PPC campaigns? Stay tuned because we're about to show you how to turn every click into a customer. Are you feeling overwhelmed by pay-per-click or PPC advertising? It's a common sentiment, but today we're here to demystify this powerful tool and give you the confidence to harness its full potential. Joe owns a busy auto repair shop. He's always relied on word-of-mouth referrals to gain new customers, but now he needs to reach a broader audience. He launches a PPC campaign. By identifying and targeting local car owners needing his services, Joe transforms clicks into customers. What's the key takeaway here? Understand your audience. Tailor your PPC campaigns to match their needs and behaviors. It's about reaching the right people, not just a lot of people. Drop a comment below if you've ever felt overwhelmed by PPC. Share your challenges and let's tackle them together. Sarah's Med Spa knows that to attract potential clients, it needs more than a basic ad. She crafts compelling ad copy and creates optimized landing pages with all the necessary information about her services. The result? More appointments. So, what can we learn from Sarah? Engage your audience with compelling ad copy and optimized landing pages. Make it easy for them to find what they're looking for, and they'll be more likely to convert. Finally, a local roofing company understands that PPC campaigns aren't a set-it-and-forget-it solution. They continuously monitor their campaigns, adjusting bids and refining targeting. The result? The result is an increase in leads and business growth. What's the lesson here? Regularly monitor and optimize your PPC campaigns. Small adjustments can lead to big results. To sum up, identify and target the right audience. Craft compelling ad copy and optimized landing pages, and always be ready to monitor and optimize. With these strategies, you're well on your way to mastering PPC advertising. Every click is an opportunity. Make sure you're making the most of it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Need personalized help? Visit Media Ace Marketing for expert guidance and a free PPC audit. Let's elevate your marketing game today. Thanks for watching. Remember, with the right strategies, PPC can be a game changer for your business. See you in the next video.